Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I will show you how you can split your pages in your documents on Google Docs really quickly and without any advanced skills whatsoever. So drop a like, follow along, and now let us get started. So basically what you need to do, guys, is click on Format here at the top, and from the drop-down menu, hover your mouse over Columns, and here to the right, select how many columns you would like to add. For example, if you'd like to split your page into 2 parts, select 2 columns, into 3 parts, select 3 columns, and so on and so forth. So let me go with simple half split with 2 columns, just like that. And what you want to do after that is simply keep typing on the left half of your page. You will see the split here at the top. So let me type in something here. And to switch to the other half, simply click on Insert here at the top, hover your mouse over Break here at the bottom, and select Column and Break. That is going to take you to the second or to the right half of your page. So here you can keep typing as well. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time.